Hi there, this is Hana, welcome here, and today I would like to make this wonderful citrus hydrosol. Smells lovely. Using just this simple espresso machine or Italian coffee machine. Yeah, so it's fun, easy and quick way of making an aromatherapy hydrosol. I actually was very curious what's gonna be the final project because I'm familiar with the alembic distillation, but I've actually never tried distilling with this machine. All right, so I just have here a new Bianetti for 10 cup. Yeah, it's for 10 cups. It says 460 milliliters. And it's actually for induction stuff. That's what I have. So I'm going to walk you through this simple, quick and really fun way of making your own hydrosol. I have my grapefruit peeled. This is actually how it looks like. As you can see, I don't have much of this white bit in it because it's just like a white skin where the essential oils are not really present. It's mostly the top bit, I believe. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna fill this part of the machine, for those of you who are not familiar with it, until about here. This little hole needs to be free. Okay, so that's where the water goes. And then in here, I'm gonna actually cut with my kitchen scissors the skin or the peel if you want, and fill it all till the top. Okay, here I am. You can see where the water line is, and right now I'm just gonna put where you normally put the coffee. You see that I have it cut in tiny pieces. Now it's all full, and I'm just gonna screw this on top of it. If you're all dying to try it and you haven't got a new machine, I must advise you against using your old coffee machine, because obviously it's gonna taste like coffee, it's gonna have a color like coffee. No, I'm not exactly like that, but somehow it's gonna be browner, definitely. And you don't want that. All right, so let's go. I'm gonna crack it on, start it. I will put it on the highest heat here on the induction stove, and in a couple of minutes we'll have the product. Well, hydrosol. Ah, it's coming out. Our grapefruit hydrosol is coming out. Yay! Well, we'll close the lid and let's wait a couple more minutes. Wow, this is really steaming. Oh my gosh, that's it. It's almost done. That was really fast. Wow, seconds really. And it seems it's done. Almost done. Right, so let's switch it up. So I'm really curious, how did it come out this time? Oh, look at this beautiful golden color. Yay! And there is more. There's more, perhaps half a cup. Let's see. I want to smell it, guys. Smells lovely. Very nice. Okay, there we are with our magical potion. See, it's still steaming. Love it, love it. Gentle, bright. I'm not gonna sip on it right now, but I know it tastes bitter. Nothing to do with the sweet taste of the fruit. Let me know if you have tried this simple and very, very quick distillation. What was your result and how did you use it?